Hey there, fellow gardeners. It's hot. Your tomato plants are heavy with green fruit, but those tomatoes just won't turn red. So what gives? If your tomatoes are stuck in that stubborn green stage, don't worry. You're definitely not alone, and you can totally fix this. Let's break down the most common reasons your tomatoes aren't ripening and what you can do right now to help them out. Reason number 1, too much heat. Tomatoes actually stop making their red pigment, lycopene, when temperatures are above 85 degrees Fahrenheit during the day and 70 degrees Fahrenheit at night. If it's been blazing hot, your tomatoes are just protecting themselves. Here's the fix. Give your plants some shade during the hottest part of the day. Even something as simple as a piece of shade cloth or a garden umbrella can make a big difference. Once temperatures drop, ripening will pick right back up. Reason 2, too many fruits competing for resources. A tomato plant loaded with fruit might slow down the ripening process because it's trying to grow all those tomatoes at once. The fix: pick some of the larger mature green tomatoes and let them ripen indoors. This relieves some stress on the plant and helps you get more ripe tomatoes over time. Reason 3, lack of potassium. Potassium is key for fruit to mature and ripen. If your soil's a little low, tomatoes can stall out green. To fix this, feed with a balanced organic fertilizer that includes potassium. You can also try banana peel tea or sprinkle a little wood ash around the base for a natural potassium boost. Reason 4, not enough airflow. Dense foliage traps humidity and limits airflow, and that can slow down ripening or even invite disease. The fix: prune those lower and inner leaves to improve air circulation. This helps the plant focus energy right where you want it, on the fruit. Reason 5, it's just not time yet. Some tomato varieties like heirlooms or big beefsteaks just take longer to ripen. So sometimes all you need is patience. But if you've waited weeks and nothing's happening, try the paper bag trick. Pick your tomatoes and put them in a brown paper bag with a ripe banana or apple. The ethylene gas from the fruit will help trigger ripening. So if your tomatoes are sitting there green and stubborn, don't panic. Check your weather, prune for airflow, boost potassium, and reduce any fruit overload. Sometimes, all it takes is a few small tweaks to turn green into red. Let your tomatoes know it's time to shine.